outside when they be rap. We all in scat packs, we the fastest. 3-round burst, sound like it's lagging. I ain't friendly, almost popped the fan up cause he tried to glitch through my phone and tried to stab me. Now I'm shooting shots at her daddy. Kill my nigga if he steal cause all he had to do was ask. We done cut the pint, boys, we hit a pint and seal it back. Cost so much they'll break up in my crib to steal a match. Play crazy, we throwing stones at a nigga, we a flag.
You can now become a member of the channel, man. If you want to join the Rerock Boys, all you gotta do is go to my page, press join. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rerocktactical, and I'm back today with another video. So, bro, look, craziest thing happened. While I'm in a gun store, because I'm building 3 ARs right now, right? So while I'm in a gun store, after this video, you will see one of them, and then after that video about the 5.56, you'll see the video on the 3 and the blackout. But listen, while I'm in the gun store, right? And I always, like I said, I wasn't buying no more Glocks. I did say that. I lied. Don't get too mad in the comments, because I had to, bro. It's like, I make impulse buys, bro. If I see something I like, even if I like it in the moment, like, I just look at it probably again, I get home, like, yeah, shit. But I had to. So look, I got a custom Glock 19 Gen 5 80s Day Edition. Now, when I say custom, I didn't customize this. This is how it was in the gun store, brand new. It's a Glock, like it's an OEM Glock, but to me, it's amazing. Like, you probably won't like it, but it ain't for you, it's for me. That's what I gotta realize about the stuff I build. It ain't for you to like, cause I like it, and you gonna like it too. You just wanna hate. But listen, this Glock, I'm gonna just tell you about it before I get to it. Don't get mad. If you fuck with me, listen. Okay, listen. It got slide cuts, red dot ready, a custom like Cerakote paint job. It got different textures on the grip. Y'all want me to stop talking to get to, all right. It is an official Glock, bro. Like, this is an official Glock. I couldn't believe it until I Googled it. You just gonna open it. All right, so boom. When you first open it, this is what you see. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out one by one. You get your lock. Y'all should definitely use these. I don't know about y'all, but every time I leave my house, every one of my guns get locked. So if you steal them, you better have something to get through a lock or a safe. It come with the plate for the red dot, the plate that's already on there. These screws. It comes with a Shark. So I'm guessing Rerocktactical is who made this. Rerocktactical, and that's crazy because, you know, I'm Rerocktactical. So I'm gonna have to look them up because I'm amazed by this. Now, I don't know why this bag came in it with it, but I'm guessing the gun was in the bag. But it came with a bag, and then it came with 3 15-round mags. Now, I never had a Glock 19. Yep, 3 15-round mags. I never had a Glock 19. I've always had 17s, 22s, 20s. Well, I had 19X, but that's not a 19 because it got a 17 frame. I got a 19X, but it's not a, you know, a real 19. This is the first actual Glock 19 that I'm owning. Not the 19X with the 17 grip. This is a real 19. And I'm just gonna show you guys. Get a look at that. Now you see the trigger depressed. I'm still gonna show the camera is clear. Gun is clear. But do you see this? Like, look at this. Bro, let me turn my PlayStation off so I can get more light, because I don't think you guys are really seeing this. This motherfucker is crazy. I mean, like, really crazy. Like, the little texture guys are always ordering off Amazon, but it's like, it's kind of like what, look, this is like the stuff but it's like rubbery as well, so I don't know. And this grip is just crazy. Like, this whole grip, this like a FN grip, because it got the regular Glock texture, it got the rubberized texture, and then it got the like this right here is also a texture. So when you grab it, it feels so good in your hand. Now, we're gonna go over this from the top, from the front to the back. Now at the front, got a slide cut right here. Identical slide cut on the other side. At the top. So I'm definitely putting a ported barrel in here, as you would guess. You know, it's just, you feel me? Bro, I don't know why I bought this chat. I don't know why I bought this YouTube, but it looks amazing. And it's red dot ready. I'm putting a ported barrel in here. I always wanted to put a ported barrel. I don't know why. I just want to see how it shoots. And I'm a gun tuber now, so I have a reason to do these things. So if you ask me what's my reason, it's because I'm a YouTuber. I just hit 80K. So I have to invest in my YouTube. Damn near every gun I buy is for my YouTube. I only protect myself with one gun. It's my everyday carry, my Glock 22. Everything else is for the YouTube. But all right, back to the gun. So at the top, you got the, you feel me? Boom. I don't even know what the, like, if they say it's 80s day, they have an 80s day model and the 80s night. This is the 80s day model. But they got some pink right here with like paint drops. But the gun is blue. I say the base, but down here, when you get down here, the top, the slide is blue. I say the majority of the slide is blue, pink, and black. And I say the black because of the sights, the barrel, you know, and stuff, but barrel is definitely gonna change. Now, when you get to the back, you have the plate, you know, to put your red dot on there. So that's gonna be amazing because this is a stock Glock, put a red dot on there and I don't have to use a mount, a DPP mount or anything. Amazing. You know, now we get down to the bottom of the gun, you got a purple frame. Like the serial number is still in here. That's why it's amazing to me because you can still read the serial number, but I don't think you read it on camera. Anyways, gun is like purple and turquoise. It is a Gen 5, so you got both slide releases on both sides. And like, let me show you guys something. The inside of the gun is like, it's like the whole frame. The inside of the slide as well. And I was wondering like, I wonder if they have some function issues. None. Like butter, baby. So with that being said, and just go dumb, because this is a content gun, so I'm going to be doing a lot of shorts with this. So if you tune in on there, stay tuned in on there. I'm going to do a video of this versus the 43X, you know, that's pink as well. But I had to show you guys this. I had to. Range video will be coming soon, so stay tuned. Like I said, I'm building guns right now, so I'm not going to hit the range until I'm done building every gun, you know? And then I'm going to do like 10 videos in one day at the range. Yeah, but Rerocktactical, I guess that's who did it because this was in the box. It's called the 80s Day Glock 19 Gen 5. Like, you can still see, it says Glock like right here. It still has the CK right there. See that? Like, because it says Glock on the slide. But this is an OEM Glock. I did not pay to get this customized. I seen it in the gun store, brand new, just like this. And I said I had to grab it. Because it's a Glock 19 for one, but it's a Gen 5. And I actually thought the 19s were smaller, but it actually fits my pinky, doesn't go over it. That was my whole thing. That's why I get like Glock 17s and 22s for the bigger grip. But I feel like I can get way better groupings with this. So I'm gonna test this versus my everyday carry. And who knows, when I put that ported barrel in here, if it's shooting amazing, yep, this might become my everyday carry. I don't care what anyone says, pink gun, blue gun, red gun, orange gun, Britney Spears gun, still gonna do what it's supposed to, you feel me? So, Jesus. Last looks. Y'all be ready for that range video. And also stay tuned for the micro AR pistol video we got coming. I also got a discount code for you guys on that. So yeah, I've been working. Stay tuned, but this is the new Glock. Be on the lookout for a range video. And we gonna shoot some steel for y'all this time. We gonna shoot some steel for y'all this time. For y'all can hear the ping, ding, wing, sling, bing, jing, 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 jingle bell. You feel me? So y'all can hear all that. So y'all can get out my comments like, show the group, or let me see you. You feel me? So, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because this, I want to see, like, is the paint gonna last? Because this make me not even want to everyday carry, because I know how slides are. I know how holsters are on slides they got, you know, but it's a gun, bro. I don't care about the pretty gun. It can be ugly for all I care. I just like it. Definitely because of the slide cuts. And it's crazy because I was going to send a gun and get done, but it's like, I don't even have to now. But I still might send one of my other guns to get done just because this color is, you know. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We on a 90K grind, my boys. Become a member of my channel too, bro. So you can get a loop. I'm dropping some member-only videos about the micro ARPs you gonna want to see. Become a member of the channel. Shout out to all the members of my channel. And this is the unboxing of the custom Glock 1980s day. The 80s nice one, the 80s night one look nice too. That one look nice too, but this is the 80s day. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Rerocktactical.